Where's the best place to invest? Where are the deals at? Those are questions I get asked all the time. And I'm also always asking myself that question as well. So with all the podcasting and networking I do around Denver and in the real estate industry, I get to see so many deals and opportunities in different parts of the real estate industry. So I just get this like massive amount of deal flow and data flow and what's going on behind the scenes flow. So I love seeing it. And where I'm investing my money right now is into commercial multifamily. Like, let me just talk about a deal and that will tell you why. So this is a Denver apartment building, just recently purchased this year, but a legacy owner of like 30 plus years. But on the financing, on the purchase of it, the seller is carrying 90% of the purchase price at a 3.75% interest-only loan. And this is over 30 years. So think about that. Like that is essentially a 10% down payment at a 3.75% interest-only loan. So it's a classic value-add multifamily and easily or should be able to easily increase rents by $400 to $500 a unit. So within 12 months, it's a stabilized cash flowing asset. And just, on that financing alone, like you just don't see those deals in residential real estate. Like the commercial side and residential are completely different. Deals like this are amazing. But here's the thing. I did not take this deal down myself. I actually did nothing in there. Like I am not I did not go find the deal, did not go operate or take down the deal. Now, I invested as limited partner with Terrance Doyle and VareCo because that is their specialty. They go out there and they have a 50 plus person business that goes out there and find deals and stabilizes them and has their construction business, has their property management business, and they go out there and find these deals like this. When you look at just all the deals out there in the industry, multifamily, I think is like the best investment right now. The broad stroke, generally speaking, value add multifamily, just amazing opportunities right now. But individual investors can't take it down for the reasons I mentioned. So I'm really excited to announce that we are launching a new fund with Terrance and VareCo that is going to focus on taking out more deals like that one I just talked about. They'll be looking for value add multifamily here in Denver and also in Des Moines. That is where Terrance has his two headquarters, and those are superpower areas. So Des Moines and Denver, multifamily value add. So we're having a webinar on August 17th at 12 Mountain to kick it all off. So if you want to come to that, go check out the link in the show notes and register for it, or shoot me an email. Only accredited investors can invest in there. Just those are the rules. But anyone, come check out the webinar. But this is where I'm putting a lot of my time and focus, and also my personal capital. Like I am selling it. I'm actually about mid-August, late August, I'll be selling or listing one of my rentals to sell and actually take a good chunk of the proceeds to put into this next fund that we're launching with Terrance. And so let me just tell you another deal, because that's the easiest way to tell you like what's going on in the market. So here's another deal I invested with Terrance and VareCo this year. And this is another multifamily around the Denver area. So they spent 8 months negotiating with the seller. They got this building around 2019 pricing. So they got great pricing and great financing. The seller is carrying back about 86% of the purchase price at a 4% interest-only loan for 5 years. So just, again, financing, you're winning on that. So with the price they bought and the financing terms they got, this property actually cash flows, and then they go in there and add value and increase the rents and increase more cash flow and also increase the value of the property as well. So just another amazing deal. And a lot of the reasons we're seeing deals here is because of the ability to do seller financing. It's just a lot harder to do in residential than it is in commercial. So commercial, we're seeing some amazing seller financing opportunities. And plus, that's just where the distressed assets are. Like single family homes right now, we're not seeing a price decline. Probably in Q4, Q1, that was kind of the bottom of the market, and prices are appreciating again. Where in multifamily, we're seeing tons of good deals. And a lot of this is from people that bought the last couple of years and they did poor underwriting, and they're getting caught with the rise in interest rates and they're forced to sell. Some are distressed, and a lot of people are just selling because they have to sell a good asset to go free up liquidity to go chase after a bad asset. Like there's just a lot of opportunity out there. So obviously I could talk hours about this, but if you want more details, come to the webinar, please. It is August 17th at noon. Link is next to this video. Or if you have any questions or you can't make it, shoot me an email or message. I will get you hooked up. Anyway, I'm excited to talk about this more, get more investors on board, and also just launch a new fund with Terrance and VareCo, who are just A-plus operators in the multifamily space. So amazing market timing, and also the ability to invest with an amazing sponsor and operator as well. All right, I'll see you at the webinar.